What's up, peeps? This is Day One Adventures, and today's adventure gonna be going over Six Flags Great Adventure for 2026. So I'm gonna count this as kind of like the first year where they've combined. It's like a whole new experience that they're gonna be doing there. The app is kind of new, so this is gonna be my preview, and then the official season opening is on Saturday. It should be pretty interesting. They have the safari. They changed around the safari, so the safari's back inside the park, so you don't have to go outside the park to get to the safari. So right away, one of the benefits of having a pass, you get to do the preview night, and now it includes Dorney Parks. The app is different because now they're joined together with Cedar Point, so you got a different app. You can do a lot of different things on the app, from ordering food to finding out the wait times to getting passes. So I always suggest putting the app on your phone, whether you're a member or not. Just grab the app if you plan on going to the park. So you log into the app, the new app, and it says welcome to the new Six Flags mobile app. It loads up, so you'll see right now you can buy a special on the Gold Pass for the season. Instead of $89, it's $70. It will show you the days that the park is open. So it's good to know you can plan everything. You can keep your pass in the app, and then you can see all the featured attractions. And it will give you a status. So once the park's open, it will give you a status for which rides are open and where you're located. So you can see on the map a nice overview and kind of plan out which rides you're going to go to first and where you might want to meet up at. And you can buy your passes on this. All the special events are listed. So you got the Perks and Play Season Pass Holder Preview. That's the one that's happening on Friday, March 27th. And then you have the Safari Spring Break Celebration. That's between the 28th to the 12th of April. And that's going to be on certain days. And this is not just for the big roller coasters. The app will show you all the different rides, and you can sort it, if you want to do the rides, or let's say you're looking for a place to eat and you want to see which ones have the dining plan meals. You can see that. You can filter it by those. You can see the shows, have the shows listed, the different shops, and the restrooms, guest services. So you can find everything. You go into where it says ticket and passes, and you have your different memberships, your season passes, daily tickets, water park tickets, wild safari tickets. You got your special offers. This is where you see the different sales. $25, bring a friend. $70 for the Gold Pass for the season. Military first responders discounts. Then you go over to the top. Upgraded add-ons. And this is where I really like the season pass add-ons. So you can do an all-season fast lane. You don't want to wait in line. $4.99. You also got all-season dining plans. Now this is what I actually get. So they have two different ones. So you have the one which is kind of like one meal, and then there's another one for 2 meals. If you do the 2 meals, you need 4 hours between the different meals. So if you're going to spend the whole day there, it actually works out pretty good. So the 1 meal is $99. If you're going to go for 2, if you do 2 meals, it's $119. Then you have an all drinks package. That's $36. The digital video photo is only good for this park. Now, the question I have this year for the meal plan, and I will find out if the meal plan will work at the different parks. And you can do a single meal deal. That's $23.99. You get an entree with a side, regular size fountain drink, and a snack. It's a pretty good deal. For $24, you can do an all-day dining plan. This is actually kind of cool. $34, that's going to get you an entree, a side, and you can redeem it every 90 minutes. And then you got the premium all-day dining pass. $45, you get an entree with a side or snack, includes free refills every 15 minutes. They even have a VIP experience. And then you got the all-day video, audio, and then you got the one for the whole season. So this is what I'm saying. If you go once, if you get the video and photo package for one day, it's $25. For $40, you get it for the whole season. So if you think you might even go back twice, get the video package for 2 days. You know, get it for the whole season. So that is the app for this year. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Then that way when I go to the park, I can find out for you. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what they're doing this year, seeing the improvements and seeing how everything looks as they're starting to settle into this whole new Six Flags experience. So do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I will see you all soon.